Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y03T with exquisite dual ring design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD sunlight display, with 6.56 inches HD plus water drop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 83.6% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, 528 nits HBM brightness, approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate. And with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 Plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB. 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39 mm. And it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options space black, gem green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y03T has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 27,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.